Hey, scrappy people. Traci Reed here today, coming at you with an unboxing of my Our Story Matters collection for Echo Park paper. Oh, I'm so excited to unbox this collection. I love it so much. If you follow me digitally, you'll know that this was sort of a play on the My Story Matters collection that is available in my store. It is different, but that's kind of like the groundwork of where we started, but it's Our Story Matters, and it's all about storytelling, telling your family history, telling your own story, telling stories, of course. So let's get started. Let's start with the papers, of course. So this color palette is really beautiful. It has a really deep navy and pinks, light green, and yellow and blue. I really love the richness of this color palette. It is a bit different than your standard colors in scrapbooking, because I like to be different, and I like different color palettes. I feel like sometimes a lot of the scrapbooking world uses the same color palette, same motifs, same sort of vibe all the time. So you know me, I like to be different. So there are 12 double-sided papers in this collection, and of course this beautiful, gorgeous floral with the stripes in the background. Oh, I love it so much. Oh, so pretty. I love it. And then a gingham on the back. 3x4 cards. So we've got This Is Our Story, so much heart, the details, make today lovely, looking good, love this life, stack of books here, everyday happenings, treasure the many small moments that define the beautiful story that is our life, write it all down, we are the authors of our own life story. On the back is a rainbow grid. Cameras, of course, because we love to tell our stories with cameras. You can see that they are patterned. They have like florals on them. Then we have a leaf print, something nice and subtle for you. Hearts, polka dot hearts. I love this deep, rich navy. It's almost black, but of course it is navy, so it's just really rich. Pink dots on the back. 4x4 cards. So we have all stories, big and small, life unedited. We've got 3 journal cards. The Book of Us. This life is a beautiful journey, beautiful days. So glad I got to witness this moment. Love this. Butterflies on the back, and they are patterned as well. Hot air balloons. Hearts on the back. Another floral. This one's super fun on that navy. Pink stripes. This one's a mixed size card, so this could be a 4x6, or you could cut it out as journal strips. Horizontal 3x4s. Storytelling, the art of using words and photos to turn a single moment into a treasured memory. Documented, live fully in the moment and then write it all down. Noteworthy, our life together, so memorable. This is us looking back. I love this part. Telling our story, note to self, happy memories, an open book. Polaroids on the back with hearts. Another floral. This one is smaller and dainty. Blue stripe. Typewriters. Of course, there had to be a typewriter paper, and of course, and it's got little flowers in it. Yellow dot. 4x6s. This will forever be a favorite moment. Photographic memories. Believe in the power of telling stories. Storytellers take the ordinary moments and turn them into extraordinary memories. Rainbow stripe on the back. Of course, there's a plaid with little stitches in it, and plus signs on navy. Cute. And then the 12x12 sticker sheet. We've got lots of typewriters, and of course the cameras, Polaroids, hanging Polaroids, lots of little word bits and florals, stories from the heart, telling all our stories, and the Book of Us. So that is the collection kit, all of the papers and the 12x12 sticker sheet. There is, of course, enamel dots and the gems I love these gems. So there's chipboard pieces on the bottom, and then we've got sort of gems and then pearls, and then little brads with story or little icons on them, patterns up here. Super cute. There are a few dies. How did this get all mixed up? I had it all organized and now it's all mixed up. Okay, there are 2 dies. We've got words and flowers. Beautiful, thanks, hello, to, from, and moments. Oh, I knew there was another die. 3rd die, floral cluster. And then we have 2 stencils, the butterflies and the sketchy dots. 1 stamp set, our story, here for it, for the record, the magic is in the details, through my lens, simply the best, everyday moments, right here, right now, live a life you love. We've got butterflies and florals, the open book, and a letter. Puffy stickers, cameras, and all of the fun icons. Love this moment, write it out, snap the photo. 2 washi tapes, which are florals in 2 different sizes. And then we have, let's see, we also have a 6x6 pad with 24 double-sided papers. These are going to be on a smaller scale. Ugh. And then they also mix up the journaling cards in here too. So let's see what we got. Floral. Goodness. There we go. We've got the gingham and then some small cards. I like these little dainty ones. Rainbow plaid. More cards. Oh, I like the labels up here. Noteworthy, our life together. I love this part. Looking back, so we've got all those 2x2s from the mixed sheet. Polaroids. Lots and lots of journaling cards in this one. More than normal, I think. Hearts. So all of these are on a smaller scale for smaller scrapbooking or card making. Makes it super easy. Typewriters, plaid, and then we repeat. Whew, we're getting there, we're getting there. Big collection. 2 chipboard sets. We have the icons, accents, and the phrases. So the accents have all of the, obviously all of the icons. This is our story, overheard this, happy. This tale is a classic. Cute, worth sharing. And then on this one, we have more words. Stories from the heart, write it down, currently, everyday moments, life unscripted, our story, 24/7, 365. Here for it, beautiful details, everyday love, the magic is in the details, right here, right now, life in full bloom, a good story, live a life you love, hello love, and then there are 2 slide frames down here at the bottom as well. All right, we also have frames and tags and ephemera. Let's do those last since we got to take them out. Let's look at the sticker book instead. So there are 16 pages, 8 sheets that you get 2 of. So there are 3 sheets of icons in the beginning. So we've got slide frames, happy memories. I love these talk bubbles throughout. More slide frames, little joys. Ugh. And then I gave you a whole sheet of florals with some more frames on the bottom. So you can mix and match. There's like single flowers in here as well with single leaves. So you can create your own clusters. And then there's a banner at the top. Next is a sheet of tags. These are super fun. There's some patterns, and then there are also like daily stories, life unscripted, moment captured, beautiful details, dream come true, and labels. So we've got thought bubbles up here, labels, those sort of post-it note sort of journal blocks, and then tabs at the bottom. And then my favorite, word bits in black and white and color. Official photographer, say cheese, life captured, write it out. Lots of great font mixes as well as color mixes. And then we have a alphabet and some titles at the top of this one. And lastly, we have borders and little hearts too. So we got pencils. These are all individual. They're not one full border, as well as the pens. Then we have some scallops and pattern borders, and then these fun frames as well that you can just, these are all individual files, not a full border. So you just pull it out and the heart stays in the middle. So it's a little frame, and its heart is its own sticker as well. So that is the sticker book, super useful. Let's do the ephemera here. So there are 34 in each of these. My happy place. All of life's little moments. Happy notes. Little journaling tag. The story of us. Look at this. Official record. Love this. So this is a frame, so this pops out. Hearts. Say cheese. Little moments that take our breath away. Take note, documented, so little tiny ones. A journaling label. Love this right here. This is the story. This is us. Photos plus words equals stories. Little tiny cup full of pens. Everyday adventures matter most. Journal. Extraordinary stories. So you can use it as extraordinary or an extraordinary story. Journaling block. These days are so very precious to me. Make today beautiful. We've got 3 little hanging Polaroids on banners. Happy little life with a frame. And then making this moment a memory. Cute, cute, cute. All right, last but not least, we have the frames and tags. Let's see if I can get this put away. We'll wait, we'll do later. We'll just make a mess over here. All right, frames and tags. So similar but different. More frames, more tags in this one, but still have journaling bits and word bits. Oh, there we go. Okay, so we've got this tag with journaling lines on it. 24/7, 365. Another tag. I left lots of places to journal in this collection because it is all about storytelling. The Good Life. Love this most. Moment captured. Remember what matters. Dropped a little heart. The story of right now. Another tag. Celebrate the everyday. Butterflies. Always remember. Daily notes. So this happened. We've got our book stack. All my favorite people. And that is a frame. The moments and memories that matter. Happy heart. Note to self. Camera. Butterfly. Love this. And glasses. Life is beautiful. And that is a slide frame. Speak your truth. Journaling block. Love letters to the future. Photographic evidence. Heart. And another frame and another journaling block. So that is the Our Story Matters collection for Echo Park paper. Love, love, love it. Perfect for telling your story, of course. If you enjoyed this video, I'd love it if you give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. I would love to have you. If you don't already, you can follow me over on Instagram. I'm at Traci M. Reed. I'd love to see you over there as well. And there we go. I will see you next time. Thank you.